Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Lenovo TAB M8. To do this, you will need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, find Microsoft Edge. Select it and install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open your browser. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and proceed. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.